Welcome all of you. SST College of Arts Commerce, Ulhasnagar. This is SST Edupedia. I am going to telling about the D pillars models of communication. My dear students, it is prescribed for BA MMC for first semester in the subject Fundamentals of Mass Communications. While seeing this theory of mass communication, D pillar model of communication is related with the socio-psychologist uh, educationist, that is D. Failure, has written this theory about communications, about what type of communication should be there in mass media. Now, according to his theory, we will clarify that how the communication base for the mass media is helpful for the electronic media and print media. My dear student, now see here in this model, the D flavor model of communication. In this diagram, you are seeing that, you are watching that, I see that mass media device. In upper line, there is the source, transmitter, channel, receiver, destination, then sources, then afterward source, transmitter, channel, receiver, destinations, and between these two lines there is a noise, and just upper there is mass media device, and just lower that is feedback device. When you explain these things, this theory is very important nowadays. How that nowadays, that noise is a feedback for the mass communications, for the mass media journalists. Now, how this theory very useful for the journalists. Now, my dear students, here now, that is sources. In the sources, in this diagram, there is sources are there, and in the sources there is some arrows are there. So the, the after the sources, okay, there is an arrow to the transmitter. So what type of sources are there for the journalists? Okay, these sources are, okay, converted into messages, transmitter into messages, and after that these converted into channels, and after channels there is a receiver and destinations. When we explain these things, that now there is in middle there is a noise. Then what do you mean by noise? So noise is nothing but this is the what we call people, public, noise of the public. For example, see here that the Fleur wanted to clarify this here now. For the journalist, the sources are very important. Okay, what type of sources are there? In these sources, there is a film, advertisement, then evidence, incidents. These are the sources for the journalists. When these sources are for journalists, these things are converted into transmitter. While converted into transmitter at that time, on this point, the sources are in the form of written or in the form of speaking. This will be filtered by the transmitters, and transmitter then put this message, push this news in the channels. The channels may be print media, the channels may be electronic media, and the channels may be nowadays what type of social medias are there. Okay, WhatsApp, Instagram, okay, Facebook, Twitter. These are the channels of mass medium device. Okay, these channels then give the correct information to the receivers, and receiver get the knowledge about their destinations. Then again these destinations become the sources. Okay, so just below the lines here, after destination there is a sources. Same destination become the sources for next day's news. Okay, then these sources again converted into new messages, that is transmitters. Again these transmitters then filter the news and put in the channels, and in the channels that again people get feedback, people use feedback about the news. Then again people are reading the newspaper, watching the video, watching the channels. Then again receivers get their destinations. It means destination means satisfaction of the public by reading the news. Then again this destination become the sources. Then again transmitter, again channels. So this type of cycle is going on for 8 to 10 days. 8 to 10 days or 1 month also. And what is in middle, that is noise is a public, and feedback and mass media are the channels of mass media communications. For example, see here my dear student, in the world, in India or in the world, there is a period of election. So there is not the single day of the election. For the election, it took 1 month, at least 15 days or 20 days. In 20 days, this type of message is circulated again and again. People get feedback again and again, again and again. Sources are given to the mass journalists. Now see, this noise is there. This in the middle there is noise word is there. From noise words, there four type of arrows are going on. Firstly receiver, then again destination, then again sources and transmitter. So the same arrows are on the left sides: transmitter, resources, destinations, and again receivers. So this cycle is handled by mass media devices, and these mass media devices get feedback from the people. So according to the D flavors is the very, what you call, very paragonic personality of the D flavors. Okay, he is a socio-psychologist, the person, and he know the psychology of the people, and this is the one of the outstanding model of the mass communication in journalism. So according to this model of communication, that all type of newses are, what you call, circulated. I have given the example of election. Not only the election, if big incidents will be happen in any states, in any region, in any country, and people want to that period, in that week, people are only, what you call, reading and watching same and same news. And for this purpose, journalist must write the newspaper, must give the information in the newspaper, or in the TV, or in the their YouTube channels. The same news will be circulated day by day, day by day. So that's why this is one of the most and important and best theory of model of communication for the sake of prescribed FY BA MMC students. Thank you, my dear students.